Hi guys, it's your girl Latoya K back again with another video. Guys, today I'm just coming to you guys. I don't know if it's a word of encouragement, but I just want to speak to you guys. It's a different type of video. You know, as a single mother, I have a partner, but he's not my daughter's father. He supports me, but I am my daughter's mother, so I am the one who I am working. I have a good job, so I am the one who sees to it that she has everything she wants for school. So, I would just say single mom, even though I'm not alone. I'm not with her father, but I'm not alone. And looking back at this back to school, this year back to school, I'm saying this back to school is so expensive. But you know what I did? That don't make it seem so burdensome. Because yesterday I was checking up all the money I spent, and I spent over 100,000 Jamaican dollar. I kid you not, guys. I kid you not. I spent over 100,000 Jamaican dollars for this back to school. And mind you, my daughter goes to a regular primary school. Her school fee was only 12,500. You can imagine if she went to a prep school where I had to pay like 80, 90, even 100 and $1,000 just for school fee. I just want to take this time out to, thank God that He provided for me. And I thank Him for the type of person I am. I don't wait for last minute to do stuff. I started back to school shopping from the day school locked. From the day school locked, I was on Amazon searching for her school bag, searching for all the things that I need about my uniform material, took it to the dressmaker. I went again and I got her book list. I bought her stuff for her book list, put them down. I ordered the writing books from a friend that was doing the business, so I supported her. I went to Panama and I bought up her little, what you call those again, stationaries, her bag, set aside shoes, everything. I make sure I get them together early. I don't wait on last minute to do stuff, because sometimes when you wait on the last minute, that's when it get burdensome. That's when it get burdensome and overwhelming. So guys, if you can not wait on last minute and start doing things early, it will be better for you. For this back to school coming, guys, let us just put our children before God, cover them, and pray for their protection, because this world is a changing world. This world is a changing world, guys. We have to cover our children, pray for them, and make sure that God is with them. Not only that they have all the pretty and the nice stuff for school, we have to make sure that God is with them. So guys, this is just my little word of motivation or whatever. I don't know what you want to call it. This is not a bragging thing for me. This is just me showing you guys what God has done for me. This back to school was so expensive, but it was not stressful for me. But anyway, without further ado, if you're new here, welcome. If you are a long-time subscriber, thanks for your continued support. Remember to like, share, and subscribe to Latoya K. More content coming soon. Love you guys. I appreciate you guys. Mwah. Road to 100 subscribers.